not really read them or something. I am Hakim Ziyech, and this is my 90 seconds Instagram post. Here was the championship with Ajax. No, it was my first championship. This one was on a holiday in Ibiza. It looks small here, but when you're in that thing, then it was big, and especially when I had to feed him, and my hands were empty. You don't know how he's gonna react, so I was a little bit like, ooh. Yeah, me and Ben, we're on the way to the stadium. We just arrived. I was walking to the dressing room for my first game after the injury, so it was a special day. Yeah, the next one was a haircut. I think I was in Barcelona in this picture, and I just finished with my haircut, and I think the barber took a picture, and it was a good picture, so I posted it. This one, I was just driving out my garage, and I remember my friend was waiting outside, and he took a quick picture. Life is 10% what happens to you, and 90% how you react on it. Things in life happens, and it's always like how you handle those things, and how your reaction is on it, and those kind of things are gonna make you as a person and the experience you have in life.